Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? Polygon holder, I have very special information and very urgent update and very good news for all Polygon holders. So kindly must watch this 2-minute video to understand better to what I talk to. Definitely, if you do this, what I talk to, I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to upcoming time. You will earn a lot of money. Absolutely, they will make you a millionaire now. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and just in only, my friends, do it now. If a holder are starting selling, so that's mean, my friends, to coin is completely going in the garbage now. But please remember, my friends, to if a holder are starting holding and they cannot starting selling, so remember, my friends, to one thing I want to tell you in those days. So after the mid of month, every coin will moving upward and they will get a very good profit. So therefore, my friends, therefore absolutely the condition is one very good and they will get a profit now. So please holders, you also do this. I hope, my friends, so you will understand. But please, my friends, don't starting investing, don't starting selling, and please hold now. My friends, Polygon, one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If I predicate this coin, so definitely I found this, my friends, to upcoming time we will need to hold now. But please remember, my friends, to if they were fails down, so therefore I'm very shocked, my friend, and I can't expect to what we will need to do now. So thanks for watching, my all viewers. My prediction is going to be positive. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time Polygon will price will be increasing now. But please holders, hold it now. Thanks for watching, my Polygon holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.